Good morning, folks. Hope everybody's doing well. I guess you're probably wondering what in the world is Doug doing as he lost it. Uh, Apparently, one of our subscribers is wearing a blindfold, and we're going to try to remove that this morning. I'll tell you here in just a second. Alrighty, I darkened out the name where you won't be able to see who wrote this here. But this person had went back and looked at a hog killing video that we had back 11 months ago. And at the beginning of that video, we've got a warning. If you do not want to see this, do not watch. But what got me was apparently this person thinks grocery stores produce the meats, as you can read here. And then what got me when she said about the ignorant people that watched it. Well, apparently this person is the ignorant person if you think the grocery store is producing the meat for you. As my buddy said, those pigs and cows and chickens, they're not volunteering for the meat market at the grocery store. But maybe this person honestly does not realize where the food in the grocery store comes from. There is people out there, I'm sure, that is like that. Alrighty, folks. Like I said, this was just a quick little video. Whenever we do have videos like that there, I had warned in that video, but whenever I'm going to have something like that there will always be a warning to where you can make the decision if you want to watch it or not. I think this person was just wanting to have something to go on about. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday. Hope y'all have a great week. Y'all take care. Stay safe.